I'm Dina Saigdal, and this is Dina's Docket, where I update you on the latest legal news. Let's talk about Johnny Depp's trial today. Now, if you're wondering, why hasn't he sued for defamation based on her claim to a judge that he hit her in order to obtain the restraining order back in 2016, is because we have something called the litigation privilege in this country, which means that somebody can say anything inside a courtroom or anything in a court filing, and those statements cannot be the basis for defamation. Now, the divorce attorney for Johnny Depp testified today that Amber Heard did not want to use a private judge in her proceedings, that she wanted it to be public. Now, one benefit for her for being public is that she could have said anything she wanted to about Johnny Depp, and that would not have led to a defamation claim. This could be what Johnny Depp's team is essentially arguing, was her trying to use leverage against him in order to receive a larger payment. Now, his money manager testified today that she received about $14 million in consideration for their 15-month marriage. Part of that was money, part of that was payment of liabilities that Johnny Depp made based on both of their liabilities. Now, his money manager, you could tell, clearly liked Johnny Depp. You know, over and over, we see the people testifying for him who was employed by him like him. That likability factor is actually important in this case. How he came across as a witness also is important in this case, because it's essentially a he said, she said case. Credibility is very important. Likability goes toward that, whether or not we like it or not. Now, other news about Johnny Depp's case today was that the ACLU lawyer said that ACLU essentially helped write the op-ed column that was published in the Washington Post, and that is the basis for this defamation case. Now, why is that important? This is going to be used most likely by Amber Heard in one of her defenses. Now, she as a defense can claim that the allegation of domestic abuse was true. That's a defense against defamation. Another way for her to defend on this defamation suit is the anti-SLAPP law, which allows somebody greater latitude in what they say if what they're talking about is a public interest matter. The fact that the ACLU, which is all about bringing awareness to issues surrounding the public, helped craft this column, is going to be strong evidence that she's going to use that this was not meant to be an article about Johnny Depp, even if people understand it was about him. But this was about the larger public interest, and that she should be able to use the anti-SLAPP law and have immunity over this defamation. These were the most important things so far in the Johnny Depp case. For more in the legal news, check out the Legal AF podcast by Midas Touch.